Hello everyone. In today's video, let us learn how to demonstrate LCD display module and its decoder driver ICs.
At the end of this video, you will be able to identify the type of LCD display used in the digital panel meter, identify various decoder or driver IC in digital panel meter. Let us collect the tools, equipment and materials required to do this practical. Digital panel meter, trainee's toolkit, digital multimeter with props. Let us discuss the LCD digital panel meters. LCD, liquid crystal display digital panel meters are devices used for measuring and displaying various electrical parameters such as voltage, current, resistance, frequency, temperature and more. A 7-segment display SSD or 7-segment indicator SSI is the most basic electronic display device that can display digits from 0 to 9. LCD meters typically offer high measurement accuracy, ensuring precise readings for various electrical parameters. LCD digital panel meters come with a specified measurement range for each parameter they can measure. LCD digital panel meters find applications in various industries and sectors, including industrial automation, process control, power distribution, energy management, automotive, aerospace, telecommunications, and laboratory instrumentation. Identification of the type of digits in LED display. 3 half-digit LCD digital panel meter. A 3 half-digit panel meter is a type of digital meter that can display 3 full digits 0 to 9 along with one additional half-digit 0.5. The 3 full digits represent values from 0 to 999 while the half-digit extends the display range to 999 or 199.9 depending on the application. 4-digit LCD digital panel meter. A 4-digit LCD liquid crystal display digital panel meter is a type of electronic meter that utilizes LCD technology to display 4 full digits 0 to 9 simultaneously. The LCD display of a 4-digit panel meter typically consists of 4 segments capable of displaying numerical values from 0000 to 9999. 4 half-digit LCD digital panel meter. The display consists of 4 full digits representing values from 0000 to 9999 along with one additional half-digit that extends the display range to 19999 or 1999.5 depending on the application. The half-digit allows for increased resolution and precision in measurement readings. Identification of the type of LCD display. 7-segment LCD driver module. 7-segment LCDs are used to display numeric and alphanumeric characters, symbols and icons in 7-segment LED formats. Dot matrix LCD driver module. Dot matrix LCDs consist of an array of pixels arranged in rows and columns. Dot matrix LCD driver ICs control the activation of individual pixels, allowing for the display of text, graphics, and animations. Graphic LCD driver module. Graphic LCDs are capable of displaying custom graphics, images, and icons. These driver ICs are used in applications such as handheld devices, medical equipment, test and measurement instruments, and gaming devices. TFT, Thin Film Transistor LCD Driver Module. TFT LCD driver ICs are used to drive TFT LCD panels which offer high resolution, high brightness displays with fast response times. TFT LCD driver ICs control the activation of individual pixels using the thin film transistor technology, enabling vibrant color reproduction and smooth motion graphics. Identification of the decoder or driver IC in digital panel meter. Remove the back panel in the digital panel meter. Inspect the back of the panel meter to identify any screws, bolts or other fasteners securing the back cover in place. Use the appropriate tools such as a screwdriver or nut driver to loosen and remove the screws or fasteners holding the back cover in place. Once all the screws or fasteners are removed, gently pry the back cover away from the main body of the panel meter. Look for any integrated circuits ICs that are connected to the LCD display or located near the display connector. Once you have located the IC that appears to be driving the LCD display, search for any identifying markings or labels on the IC itself by using a magnifying lens. These markings may include part numbers, manufacturer logos, or alphanumeric codes that can help identify the IC. Use the identifying markings found on the IC to search for its datasheet in online. Most manufacturers provide datasheets for their ICs which contain detailed information about the type IC specifications, pinout, features, and application notes.
In this video, we have discussed how to identify the type of LCD display used in the digital panel meter. Identify various decoder driver IC in the digital panel meter. This concludes this exercise. Thank you.